So here it is. I'm gonna give y'all a quick how-to. When you got this wallpaper that's hard to get off, real hard to get off. Let me show you how to get it off real good, real quick. Boom. Done. Let's go. What you want to do is run the hot water real hot. Take the bottle in, take the gun. It only take a little bit of gun. I already poured out in already. Boom. Don't care much. Me, I'm just pouring the rest in right now. Boom. Boom. Come back in the bathroom. Spray it down real good. Soak it. About 5 minutes. After your 5 minutes went by, look at it cool off. Look at it cool off. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it, y'all. So here it is. I'm gonna give y'all a quick how.